For over 15 years, smartphones have ruled our world. They've connected us, distracted us, entertained us, and even defined us. But what if I told you their reign is coming to an end? Right now, in secret labs and corporate offices, the next generation of technology is being built, technology that won't live in your pocket, but on your body, or even inside your brain. Welcome to the future of wearables! From a high-powered glasses to brain-computer interfaces, the smartphone era may soon be replaced by something far more powerful. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why the devices we hold today might become relics tomorrow. Think about the first iPhone! It was revolutionary. It combined a phone, a music player, and the internet into one sleek device. Over the next decade, smartphones gave us GPS, instant messaging, endless apps, and social media. But here's the truth. Innovation has slowed down. Each year, the big announcements sound the same. A slightly better camera, a slightly faster chip, and maybe a new color. Exciting? Not really. For many people, a 5-year-old phone works almost as well as a brand new one. But here's the real issue. Smartphones have created a culture of overuse. We spend over 4 hours a day on average staring at these screens. That's years of our lives. And people are starting to push back. Tech companies know this, which is why they're already investing billions into a future that looks nothing like your smartphone. Imagine walking through the city, and instead of pulling out your phone, directions appear right in front of your eyes. Text messages float into view without you lifting a finger. And instead of carrying a screen, the entire world becomes your display. That's the promise of smart glasses. Companies like Meta, Google, and Apple are betting big on this. Apple's Vision Pro is a bulky first step, but in 10 years, imagine something as light and stylish as regular glasses powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of scrolling, you'll talk, gesture, or simply glance to control your digital world. And here's the kicker. By removing the need to look down at a phone, these devices could make technology less intrusive, blending seamlessly into everyday life. If you'd replace your phone with smart glasses, smash that like button. Want to see how many of you are ready to ditch the screen? Not all wearables will sit on your face. Some will live quietly on your fingers. Enter the smart ring. Companies like Ara and Samsung are already pushing this forward. A smart ring can monitor your sleep, track your heart rate, measure stress, act as a payment device, or even unlock your car. Think about it. Instead of carrying a bulky phone or smartwatch, a simple ring could carry your identity, your wallet, and your health tracker all in one, invisible, but always connected. And this isn't science fiction, it's already happening. In a few years, your wedding band might also be your credit card, your digital key, and your health coach. Another frontier is wearable AI assistants. Think of them as the next Siri or Alexa bot. Instead of living in your phone or speaker, they'll live on your clothes or body. Take the Humane AI pin, for example. It's a tiny device you clip onto your shirt. It projects information onto your hand, listens to your voice, and responds instantly. It's like having ChatGPT whispering in your ear all day long. As AI gets smarter, these assistants will anticipate your needs, reminding you of tasks, suggesting healthier habits, and even handling emails or shopping automatically. Imagine never needing to check your phone again, because your wearable AI already took care of it. Now let's talk about the most mind-blowing and controversial innovation: brain-computer interfaces. Companies like Neuralink are developing chips that connect directly to your brain. At first, the goal is medical, helping paralyzed patients walk again or restoring vision to the blind. But in the long run, this tech could let you send a text just by thinking it. No screen. No typing. No swiping. Sound crazy? early experiments already exist. Researchers have enabled people to control robotic arms with their thoughts. The step from robotic arm to digital assistant ISNT as far as you might think. And here's the real twist. Brain-computer interfaces could merge with creating a direct link between human intelligence and machine intelligence. At that point, smartphones wouldn't just be obsolete, they'd look like toys compared to what's possible. Would you ever let a chip connect your brain to an AI? Comment yes or nitrogen monoxide below. I'm curious to see how many of you would take the leap. Of course, not everything about this future is exciting. There are huge risks. On the positive side, wearables could free us from screen addiction, improve health, and make technology seamless. Imagine a world with no more dropped phones, no cracked screens, no endless scrolling. Instead, devices adapt to us quietly working in the background. But the dangers are just as real. Privacy concerns skyrocket when devices are literally built into your body. Will corporations track your every thought? Will hackers steal your biometric data? What if governments demand access to brain interface technology? These are questions we must answer because the technology is coming, whether we're ready or not. So what does this mean for you? It means the way you interact with technology is going to change dramatically in your lifetime. The post-smartphone era is coming, and it won't look like an app store in your pocket. Instead, your devices will be worn, embedded, or even integrated with your mind in 10 to 15 years. Your kids might look at today's iPhones the way we look at rotary phones. Outdated, clunky, a relic of a different era. The smartphone's dominance is ending. What comes next, glasses? Rings? AI pens? Or brain chips good? Change everything about how we live. The only question is, are you ready? If this glimpse into the future blew your mind, smash that like button. It really helps more people discover this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Tech Adventures, where we uncover the technologies that will shape your tomorrow. Until next time, stay curious and stay futuristic.